Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my show, Untold Stories of Pakistan by wajeehSiddiqui. Today's topic is why Pakistani people hate IMF. In order to meet the conditions of the IMF, the government of Pakistan and its elite are increasing burden on the people of Pakistan. It is not kept from which class they are being collected. Is it permissible to impose tax on these people or not? Whether their income is taxable or not. The government of Pakistan has imposed 80% of indirect taxes. As the tax officials are corrupt, they collect 20% direct tax and fill their pockets with bribes. This is the reason why the people of Pakistan think that institutions like IMF and World Bank advise the governments of Pakistan to fix the economy. They are corrupt like the official of government of Pakistan. The officials coming from IMF and World Bank are often corrupt. Whether the finance minister, prime minister, advisor or the governor of State Bank of Pakistan, they have robbed Pakistan. The 2021 report of UNDP was that the elite class of Pakistan received $17 billion of privileges annually. This class of Pakistan is spent $17 billion of public taxes on their luxury, and this class of elites, on other hand, is completely exempted from taxes. The IMF and the World Bank have not objected to the payment of free electricity, free petrol and house rents, other utility bills to top government officials and elites, which causes burden of billion of rupees and billion of dollars on the national exchequer of Pakistan. And this burden has crushed the poor people of Pakistan. But the IMF has no objection on this. Is it not violation of human rights? Is it not violation of international laws, which the IMF and the World Bank do not pay attention to? According to the UNDP report of 2023 and 2024, Pakistan ranks 164th in the list of 193 countries in Human Development Index. 49% of Pakistan's population are middle class, 47% are poor and 4% are rich. These 4% controls 50% of Pakistan's wealth resources. According to another report, World Inacquitable database, 10% of the countries own 40% of the country's wealth and 50% of the population owns only 13%, but they want corrupt bureaucracy and corrupt rulers to exist Pakistan so that they can protect their interests. It's been World Bank and IMF. Due to these incompetent bureaucrats, Pakistan is repeatedly caught in the clutches of IMF. This bureaucracy is the biggest obstacle in the way of investment and development of Pakistan. It imposes conditions after which the investors are forced to think whether to invest in Pakistan or not. This is selfish mean-spirited persons is giving away his perks like free electricity, free petrol, free housing, free government vehicles, and even concession on non-government travel, they continue to squeeze the blood of the nation to get and also increase the salaries in every budget. The IMF has demanded Pakistan to tax on real estate, but the government of Pakistan cannot lock Malik Riaz, the biggest criminal and defaulter of real estate and the briber to politicians, journalists and media person, in jail. In Pakistan, former prime ministers, former presidents and former army chiefs and even former ISI chiefs have been jailed. But if anyone has not been jailed despite being found guilty, it is Malik Riaz, whose £190 million was caught by British crime agency. When that money was returned to Pakistan, instead of going to the national treasury, it returned to Malik Riaz's account. The IMF, World Bank or NCA did not object to this, but preparation for taxing other people in real estate began and action against them was suggested by IMF. That is the behind the scene. While Malik Riaz Bahria town is a state within a state of, rather it is the biggest center of gangsterism and corruption, which consider its right to violate country's laws and regulations. So the people of Pakistan are right to understand that the international institution and the government of Pakistan actually consider it their duty to patronize Malik Riaz. That is the way the people of Pakistan hate the IMF and the World Bank. Please like my video and subscribe my channel and comment on it. And goodbye.